You guys may have watched the unboxing video on the filters. Now this is going to be for the fan, dual USB fans. I could have rigged one up for my fan I'm doing, but this works out just as easy. Already wired, already has mounts and everything. This is how it comes. You guys are watching this just for the fan unboxing. Pretty good deal at $11. Link will be in the description below. Put in the description below what you guys are going to be using it for. I can see that going on a computer radiator. Comes with only 2. Man, that thing stinks. It smells like fresh plastic, but it kind of stinks. It's kind of strong. So, there we go. I forgot to bring something that's USB out to test it. It's nice, it's got fan guards on both sides. They're 80mm. Again, the link will be in the description below. It's got nice anti-vibration pads, but it's only going to do good if you lay it up against something, which I did see on here. They lay it up against the PlayStation 5 or the Xbox and all that. We're going to be turning it into a HEPA filter USB. Something weird. Stay tuned. Let's go get something to turn them fans. Okay, we have ourselves a USB power bank. Like everyone probably has. It's off. Oh, it's on O. A little bit of a delay. Oh, that puts out good air. That's on low. God, it feels good. I have it blowing on me. It's kind of hot out today. About 92. Has good speed to it. Great airflow. Pretty good for just USB. This ain't 12 volts, so they're kind of limited. Barely any sound. And low has no sound. Can't even hear it spinning. And it still puts off a pretty good amount of air. Like a strong airflow. I'm pretty sure you can tear these apart and they'll become normal 80mm fans, but you do have the cords that are already pre-wired for anything you want to do. Stay tuned if you guys want to see what I'm building out of this.